Is your most valuable business information locked away in disconnected silos? Spreadsheets here, your CRM there, critical knowledge hidden in documents? What if you could unleash AI to act as a central intelligence, accessing and making sense of all of it? Today, we're diving into the future of business intelligence, strategic ways AI agents can connect to and unlock all your diverse business data. Hey everyone, I'm Adnan. I show you how practical AI automation delivers results. We're talking cutting costs, saving massive time, and boosting profits for your business. My goal is to help you build your AI advantage, and today we're taking a step back from specific builds to look at the bigger picture, how you can strategize to make AI work with the full spectrum of your business data. Let's start with a common reality for many businesses. Your data is often everywhere, and yet effectively it can feel like it's nowhere when you need a complete picture. Valuable information is there, but it's frequently siloed and hard to use together. You might have sales data in your CRM, product information in Google Sheets, crucial company knowledge in Word documents or Notion, and customer history tucked away in another app. Trying to get a holistic view or answer a complex question that spans these silos is tough, time-consuming, and often means manual data wrangling. But here's the exciting vision: AI acting as your central data hub. Imagine one intelligent interface, one AI assistant that can access, understand, and synthesize information from all these different sources. Picture yourself asking your AI assistant complex questions that require it to draw insights from your CRM, cross-reference it with product specs in a spreadsheet, and maybe even pull context from an internal policy document, all to give you one comprehensive answer. That's the power we are aiming for. So, how do we get there? Let's look at a few key strategies, starting with what many of you are familiar with from my previous videos: AI for structured data, like your Google Sheets, Excel files, Airtable bases, Superbase, or simple SQL databases. The core technique here, as we have explored, is parameter extraction and direct queries. The AI is brilliant at translating a user's natural language question into specific filters and query parameters. Then, a platform like N8N can execute that query against your spreadsheet or database, retrieve the matching data, and the AI can format a natural language answer. This is ideal for data that's already well organized in rows and columns. Next up, many businesses rely heavily on software as a service or SaaS applications. Your CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce, your accounting tools, project management software, etc. The good news is that many of these SaaS apps offer APIs or application programming interfaces. These are like doors that allow other software like N8N to talk to them. So how can AI help here? First, the AI can understand the user's intent. For example, if a user says, "Find customer John Doe's latest ticket in HubSpot," it can then extract the necessary parameters from that API call, like customer name John Doe, system HubSpot, data needed latest ticket. AI can even help format the data correctly to send to the API, and then N8N's HTTP request node or other dedicated app nodes make the actual API call, gets the data, and the AI can present it back to the user. This unlocks all that valuable data sitting in your cloud tools. But what about all that knowledge trapped in unstructured documents? Your PDFs, Word files, company wikis in Notion, policy manuals? This is where a powerful technique called RAG or Retrieval Augmented Generation comes in. RAG is a game changer for unlocking knowledge from text. Here's a simplified look at how it works. First, your documents are broken down into smaller chunks. These chunks are then converted into numerical representations called embeddings and stored in a special kind of database called a vector database. This process essentially captures the meaning of the text. When a user asks a question, the AI converts that question into an embedding tool. It then searches the vector database to find the document chunks whose embeddings are most similar in meaning to the question's embedding. These are the most relevant pieces of information. Finally, the AI uses these retrieved relevant chunks to synthesize a comprehensive answer to the user's original question, grounding its response in your actual documents. And the great news is N8N has nodes and integrations that support setting up vector databases and building these RAG processes. So, with all these different data sources and AI strategies, how do you bring it all together? This is where a platform like N8N truly shines as your AI integration hub. As you can see, N8N can connect directly to your sheets, databases, and make API calls using its built-in nodes like the HTTP request node. Then it integrates with vector databases and has nodes to help you build RAG pipelines. It also orchestrates the calls to your AI models like OpenAI's GPT, passing the right data and prompts. And fundamentally, N8N provides the visual workflow builder, the logic and the automation capabilities to create these sophisticated AI agents that can tap into all these diverse data sources. Now, embarking on an AI data strategy is exciting, but it's important to keep a few key considerations in mind to ensure success. First of all, start simple. Don't worry to connect everything at once. Pick one key data source and one clear problem you want AI to help solve. Get a win, then expand. Secondly, data quality and structure. AI, especially for structured queries, works best with well-organized, clean data. Some data cleanup might be needed. And then security and permissions. This is especially crucial when you are connecting AI to sensitive business data or allowing it to make API calls. Ensure you have proper authentication, authorization, and data handling practices in place. Prompt engineering is key, as we have seen. Tailoring your AI instructions or your prompts for these different data types and tasks is absolutely critical for getting accurate and useful results. And finally, cost. Be mindful that API calls to LLMs and some SaaS tools can have associated costs, so plan accordingly as you scale. The future of business intelligence is about making all your data accessible and actionable through intelligent AI agents. By strategically combining AI with platforms like N8N, small to medium-sized businesses can unlock incredible insights and efficiencies. Now, I'd love to hear your perspective. What's the most frustrating data silo in your business right now that you'd love AI to unlock and connect? Share your challenges and your ideas in the comments below, and let's discuss. If this strategic overview sparks some new ideas for your business, please smash that like button. And if you want more AI strategies, deep dive builds, and insights into how AI is reshaping business, make sure you hit subscribe and the bell. Of course, you can always connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is down below. And get my free toolkit for SMBs. Thanks for watching. The potential here is massive. Keep thinking strategically about your data, and I'll see you in the next video.